Hey guys, Lucky My Kitty Cage here. Welcome back to another video. So guys, I just want to make it clear for this video, if there are any like bangs in the background, it's because there's thunder by my house. There's no lightning yet, and it's not raining. It's just thunder because of the bad heat, and it's just very crazy. So right now it is 89 degrees. Today it must have been 90 to 100 degrees, and it is just crazy, right? But my my temperature thing might be wrong. But anyways, back to what we're doing. So this video is just the update, and I'm gonna be doing some other stuff maybe. So the Garden Escape bundle. Create your own pictures cube. What? I cannot pronounce that. Paradise with the Garden Escape bundle. It comes with an outstanding owl, Liza's garden, a hummingbird, plus an exclusive garden flower accessory set. Never before seen den items. This blooming bundle is available to anyone who purchases any membership from www.animaljam.com/join during the month of September. So I am going to get membership again for this account, for my Lucky My Kitty Cat AJ account, because I do not have a lot of days left. I only have 9 days left of membership. But sorry about that, guys. There was this big thunder in the beginning. You might have heard it, but at the end. So I got a jamgram. Hope you enjoy. I got a gift. Oh, floor lamp. Alright, I remember this because I I was getting a gift from someone. Game of Thrones. Thank you very much. So, woo. It was someone who was giving out free gifts, I think, but it wasn't. But it was what you might call it. But it wasn't. It was not a generator. It was just someone, giving away items. As you can tell, it was not a generated item. So someone is saying unwanted Apari art untraded. Please try to trade other art. Right. I am not the #1 fan of Apari. I'm more of a Squirm type of girl. But yeah. Um. So let's see the unwanted Apari art they have. Let me see. Apari with love. Oh, that's cool. And then Colleen. Alright, these are actually pretty cool. Alright. I'm gonna be nice, and I'm going to trade for their art. B-Day AJK on trade, be fair. Yeah, but which one? Is it the new one, or is it the old one? I'm gonna trade as girl or boy, I don't know, some art. Oh my god, guys. Okay, the thunder, I think, is like right above my house. So the video is I'm gonna keep pausing the video a bunch of times because I don't want this to bother anyone, because some people can be sensitive to this type of stuff. So there are going to be a lot of pauses in the video, a lot of pauses in the video probably. So let me see. I remember this was like one of the first masterpieces I ever made on my Snickers log account. Jeez Louise, right? I am never gonna trade that. Let me see, do I want to trade this one? Or do I want to trade this one? I think I'm gonna trade this one. For their Apari trade. Huh? I swear, if they're at someone's den, I'm just gonna freak out. Alright, Rose the Warrior. Art Gallery Item, please like the art and feel free to donate. But I don't want to donate, so yeah, I don't donate to stuff. Alright, I'm gonna trade this. And then. And trade. Alright, the trade is gone through. If she declines, if he or she declines, I'm going to be mad. Alright. Woo! Thank you so much. Alright, let's head over back to my den. Alright guys, multiple times I thought that there was thunder coming, but there wasn't. So I don't know if I did this in a video or not, but I put art up here and it was scoring my door. I did not get hacked or anything, and it's not a glitch or anything. But I did trade, and I did not trade it. I gave it to Scorm, so now he has the art that I made. So my list for your nerds. Let me see. I don't 100% really like nerds. Nerds. Alright. Come on. Load. Alright. No, thank you. Period space. It's not. Oh, what am I doing? It's not fair. Period space. Sorry. And there we go. Alright. So that's just gonna end the video here, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Peace. Wait, what? Hold on a second. I can't. Is this thing even still recording? Wait, what? Alright, guys, hold on. Okay, they sent me a jag back, so good thing I didn't leave. But oh, alright, it's back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.